Guys, let's taste now our spring roll. It's hot.
Thanks so much. Make one for me.
It's very nice, guys.
Good
morning and happy Sunday to all of you who is watching right now.
And I hope you are not sick. And I all stay healthy.
Okay. No.
Why are you killing people now? Why are you making them die?
Wait. Then today Isabella doesn't have a school because it's holiday and it is Eid. So she doesn't have a school. So I got
online class.
online class. So I got the time to make lumpia because making a lumpia is just it's making a lumpia is really time consuming. So luckily today my daughter doesn't have a school, so I have the whole day to make my lumpia. So I'm gonna make this is a lumpia or a spring roll. So I have here yes, and
Because I need to take shower, so I'm doing bubble bath.
yeah, you have to take a shower.
Yeah.
You like bubble bath, yeah?
Yes. Only in the holidays I got time, but not at school. I don't have time.
Yes.
Only
Because you
like
didn't.
after school. Yeah, I can already do that.
Yes.
But not at school.
Yeah, of course you're not allowed to go bubble bath at school. What is this? Okay, anyway guys,
Anyway,
I have here beef mince, but you can use any meat you have like chicken or pork. And I have here egg. It's a boiled egg. I have chopped boiled egg. It's cooked.
it's cooked and it's healthy.
Yes.
But give allergy. I already have allergy.
Yeah, because for Isabella, she's not allowed to eat chicken and egg every time because she has allergy. So once in a while, that was okay. If she eats egg, she only eats boiled and just the white one and not the yellow one, because yellow one it will trigger your allergy.
I tried that. Remember? I tried that, but it was itching me.
Okay, now I have here.
Half boiled only because when I tried it, it was also itching
Yes,
me.
I know. And here I have finely chopped garlic, 7 cloves of garlic, and 1 onion, 1 medium size of onion chopped.
And here's the biggest one.
And this is the finely chopped carrots and cabbage.
You're making
And also I have a
Kaka noodles.
sprouted beans.
Let's make out of noodles.
So this I have.
Yeah.
And then we have this. We are using this for the wrapper.
We're making dog too.
Yeah, we are making dog. Actually, my daughter,
Love this.
yes, when it is crispy and
Yeah.
crunchy,
But I also sometimes I eat also these things.
yes,
But ew, not that.
yes. So actually, my daughter, once it is crunchy and crispy, she called it dog.
Because
That's
I
why
don't
she
know-
likes dog.
But that is in my in English.
English?
Because I don't know how to speak like that.
Okay. So and
Don't
also
worry, I'm watching Crime
and
Brothers.
also we'll be using oyster sauce. Okay? So that's all guys. Let's get started.
Let's get started.
Yeah? Anything
Yes,
else you want to say?
No?
Nothing?
Nothing.
Okay. Now let's
Be
get
safe. And kids, be healthy. Eat more food.
for kids. Yes. Okay. So let's get started.
Let's get started.
Now I have put 1 tablespoon of oil, and now we can put our garlic.
Not the... Oh, do not take that onion.
Now first the garlic.
And then the egg.
Then we have to saute.
I do the egg, okay?
Yeah, sure. And now we can put our onion, and we saute our onion until it gets translucent or brown.
Brown in color.
Okay, and this we have to put our beef mince. And then we have to brown our meat. Then we have to brown it. And after this, then we'll add our carrots. This is 1 carrot. Finely chopped 1 carrot. Or any vegetables what you have. I think green beans also you can add. So we have to add this. Then carrots doesn't take time to cook because it is already finely chopped. And then we'll add our cabbage. Cabbage is just around 1.5 cup of cabbage I put. I love my spring roll with vegetables. You can also, if for those who doesn't like vegetables, you can also do it like plain, just the meat, no vegetables. It's depend of the individual preferences, what they like. On this, I can put now my oyster sauce. You just have to estimate, guys. For me, I'm putting like 1.5 tablespoon of oyster sauce because I haven't added salt yet. This time I'm not gonna use salt. Instead, I'm gonna use beef cubes. So I'll add beef cubes. So on this one, I'll just add like 1/4 of this. So not just a little bit. I don't out and just mash it so it easily gets melted. That's it. I don't put so much. Then they just cook it. I don't cover it, just leave it open and simmer for like 5 minutes. now I will add the sprouted beans. Sometimes also I can just eat like this, just raw, just like a salad, mix in a salad. It's also nice. You can eat directly for this. This mixture of spring roll, sorry, it's more on vegetables now because they put lots of vegetables. Sometimes if I don't eat, I only eat spring roll. That's it. Maybe 3 of that, and that's like for lunch or dinner. I'm okay. I don't have to eat rice and anything else. So let's just wait again. Okay, read your books. Okay. So now let's taste if salt is okay. I need more salt. I'm not putting salt. Instead, I'm gonna put oyster sauce only. So this is enough. It will be enough now. So now again, we have to saute this for another 2 minutes. Okay, so let's just simmer this for another 2 minutes. Now, this is okay. We switch off the gas and we put our egg. Eggs is just an optional. Not really necessary that you have to put. But I just want to put mine. I had boiled today morning for breakfast for my daughter egg. So I also boiled for my spring roll. Just have to mix it nicely. And this is finished. So now we have to transfer this in here. Okay, so I'm using this strainer so I could strain so the water all just come out. When we do the wrapping the lumpia filling, make sure that it's not watery. Otherwise, our spring roll become soggy. So you just have to move it here. And then wait until all the waters drain the sauce. Actually, it's dry, but not actually totally dry because vegetables leaves water and also the meat. So we have to make sure it's really dry. So now let's just first cool down this filling before we can do our spring roll. Okay, then set aside this one. So we're done doing our spring roll filling. So now we have to cool down this one first before we do our wrapping. So it might take like 1 hour or 2 hours. Most probably 1 hour. Then you just sit aside this. Then I'll come back to you once it's cooled down. Bye for now. Hi guys. So now this has cooled down. This is okay now, so I'm gonna wrap it. And I'm using this one and this one. So I have 2 of this, so 20 each, so I have 40. So, but guys, we're not eating all 40 in one time. So after this, you can freeze it. So when you feel like eating it, then you can just cook it. So I just cook like 6 right now, and the rest I keep it in the freezer. Okay. So now, and also I have a water. I'm using water to close the edges. And you can also use egg, whichever convenient for you. But I just prefer water. So I have to scoop it. It is really good when you make your own spring roll. You can decide what you have to put inside. Roll it. And just close the edges. So I'm done. They always made this.
Hi guys. Yes, spring roll. That was what I would get during Lent season when I went to Philippines.
This is what I made. See, full of spring roll. Now we have to fry our spring roll. So I have here. It's already ready. So now it's hot. You just have to put our spring roll. Then let it cook until golden brown. So now this is okay, golden brown, because we just have to cook the wrapper because the filling is already cooked. We have cooked it already. So this is, see, as you can see, it's nice, golden brown. Now we'll do our plating. Okay. Then I have here my dipping sauce. I've used the sweet and sour chili. You like it? Nice, na?
I touch my hair. It's here with that.
Careful. So for today, guys, until to my next one. Bye.